Nature fariries and nature holders, this chest is for you. Enter the Royini Woods, the forest we entered for the cutscene. Follow the pathway to Thin Seal Portal Bit. From here, pick lane with mushrooms. Once you're here, go to the lake over here. Go ahead to this blue mystical mushroom. After, go to this pile of delicate flowers and use your nature powers to remove these flowers. The spectacular bush should fall down below one, then you can enter. Use a torquer try to keep go forward toughened your way. There you go, your chest will be here. Also before I go, like chest link will be in the comments. And I might do another power chest.